Okay, today we're going to multiply with exponents. We'll do about 9 examples. Here's our first one. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of sort of spread out, or I'll factor out this. That's a times a. And this is 3a's. And if you total that up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a's. The answer is a to the 5th. A squared times a to the 3rd, a squared times a to the 3rd is a to the 5th. Here's the second example, m times m squared. So that's going to give me 1m. Then I have 2 more here. And so our answer is, how many m's do I have? 1, 2, 3. So that is m to the 3rd, or another name for that is m cubed. So next example, a squared times a, and times b squared times b. So let's see, I have 2 a's here, and then another a. Now I'll do the b's. I have 2 b's, and then another 2 b's. And if I total that up, get my colors right here. Let's see, I have a's. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3 of them. And the b's, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. A to the 3rd, b to the 4th. Now sometimes they may have parentheses like these. No problem. So what we'll do is a squared, that's 2 a's. Now I'm going to kind of rearrange things a little bit. There's 2 a's there, and I also have another a. So I'm going to put that right here. And then I have a b and a b. So see that? I have 2 a's and another a, and then a b and a b. And what's that total out to be? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 a's. And b's, there are 1, 2 of them. So it's a to the 3rd, b squared. Now sometimes you'll even have numbers involved. Two ab times 4ab. Now let's use our distributive, let's use, well, what property is it that I can move things around? Do you remember? What property is it that I can move these items around? The answer is commutative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move this 4 over here. So I'm going to have 2 times 4. I'll put the numbers down first. Then I'm going to move around the a's. So I have a, and then I have another a. And then the b's, I have b, there's 1 b there, and there's 1 b there. So all I really did is just move things around. That's the commutative property. Now I'll just put together my numbers. 2 times 4, 2 times 4, well that's just 8. Then how many a's do I have there? I have 2 of them, so that's a squared. And the b's, I have 2 of those. 8a squared, b squared. That is my answer. Next example, again, we have numbers and we have variables with exponents. So I'm going to move things around here. I'm going to do my numbers first. I have a 7 and a 3. 7 times 3. And then my x's, I have 2 of them. And then I have 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. Now I'll count everything up. 7 times 3, well, that's 21. And the x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's x to the 6th. Okay, this next one's a little different. Now I have a negative involved. That's negative 6. So I'm going to use my commutative property and move things around. So let's see, I have one negative. I have 6 and a 4. 6 times 4. Then I have several a's. Let's see, I have 3 a's and then another one. So 1, 2, 3. That's these 3 a's. And then one more. I go and I put my numbers together. Well, first of all, there's one negative, so the answer is negative. 6 times 4, well, that's 24. And a, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a to the 4th power. What's different here is that I have 2 negatives, and I also put in another variable. So I have 2 variables and 2 negatives. Well, first of all, when multiplying 2 negatives, we'll cancel. So we can negate that. And then we have 5 and 3 for our numbers. Then our x's, I have 2 of them and another one. There's 2 there and there's one more. And for my y's, I have 1 there and 1 there. So my answer is, let's see, 5 times... Hey, wait a minute. I think I forgot something here. Did I make a mistake? Yes, I did. See, I have 2 x's and another x. 2 x's. Oh, I did make a mistake. Okay, I'm good. Never mind. 2 x's and another one, and then 2 y's. Okay, never mind. I'm going to get paranoid here. All right, so let's see. 5 times 3 is 15. Then I have x, and I have how many? 1, 2, 3 of those. And the y's, I have 1, 2 of those. So it's y squared. X cubed, y squared. A little bit different problem that we have fractions involved. So let's see, I have 1/2. This first one. Then I have 1/2, but 2 times. Twice. 1/2 times 1/2. Right? Because that's one of those, and there's 2 of these. So now I can just multiply. And remember, when we're multiplying fractions, we just go straight across. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is... No, it's not 6. It's 8, because that's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1/8 is the answer.